Today we are talking about scripting languages such as Python, Bash, PowerShell, and JavaScript. And today I have an example of a project that I have been working on to show you some of those scripting languages that I use in my code. This is a project that clones a person's voice using audio recordings. It uses a model that is trained on their voice. It layers information about the voice on top of the model, and then it is able to take that information to generate audio from text to get the voice to say whatever you want it to say. And the main goal of this project is to be able to take your voice and create audiobooks just by providing text, and then it will generate overnight an entire audiobook in your voice. So here we will talk about the Python, Bash, PowerShell, and JavaScript that is used in this project. First, we have Python. Python for backend development. Python has become one of the most popular choices for backend development due to its combination of simplicity, versatility, and mature ecosystem. It is very powerful for data analytics and data engineering. Here's the code for the project that I am working on. And this is the backend of this program. So this is where a lot of the model training for voice cloning is happening. So Python will actually take samples of your voice recording and analyze it to get as much information as it can out of it, and then it will put that information on top of the voice model. So here's some of the Python code. Next up we have JavaScript. JavaScript works alongside HTML and CSS for most websites that you find on the internet. These three technologies power nearly every website and web application on the modern internet. JavaScript has a massive ecosystem with millions of packages. It's lightweight and can run on most devices. And this is where JavaScript really stands out, able to be used on just about any device. Here's HTML. Without JavaScript, this HTML is very basic, and it would have empty sections where there should be data and information. A lot of the styles won't be injected into the HTML. You can think of HTML as the shell, and JavaScript injects the information that you want to have in the website. That can change dynamically. So like forms and games, just about anything. This is the CSS. So this is cascading style sheets. This is the styles for the website. This tells it the font, the colors, the size. Next up we have Bash and PowerShell and Bash. Bash is primarily for Unix and Linux. Bash is Windows Legacy, PowerShell is modern. So this program uses PowerShell to start, which will open two terminal windows, one for the backend and one for the front end, which are both served on different ports. The backend, I believe, is running on port 8000. The front end communicates to the backend on that port, and then the front end broadcasts on port 3000. This is how I'm able to access the web interface in the program from the browser. You can see here the backend terminal, the front end terminal. Here, when you use the program from the web page, you can see that these terminals change because it is sending information back as to the code that it is serving onto this web page. And as an example, this is using a cloned voice to generate speech. So you can see the back end is changing, the front end will change also.
maximum 5,000 characters. Supports SL tags for advanced control.
So the audio actually does not have that echo effect that you just heard. That was just from recording, but that is the program used in action. So I didn't get to show you getting trains on the voice recordings. That takes a long time, but thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it.